What's up guys? So we have been talking about the Huawei's Mate 40 series for a while now. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be phenomenal. Now, let's start the video. So, even we have seen the CAD base renders, the screen protectors, and so-called a hands-on video of the phone itself. Even we know, the Mate 40 series launch is around the corner. Huawei will also be launching a Mate 40 RS Porsche design in this year. If you are wondering what the phone looks like, then you are in luck, as a photo of the back panel has been posted on the internet. The photo was posted on Twitter by one of the most trusted tipster, Rodent950, and it shows the phone octagonal camera housing, which is filled with holes. The panel has a sort of bluish paint job, with a mix of gloss and matte finish. The middle of the case is a thick band of several lines that runs from the top of the camera housing down to the bottom. Unlike the Mate 30 RS Porsche design, doesn't have the luxury band logo, but Porsche design is written in full on the back. In a reply to the original tweet, the leaker revealed the Mate 40 RS Porsche design will sell for €2,000. This is slightly less than the €2,095 launch price of last year's model. He also revealed that the back is made of ceramic, and there will be a white variant too. Just like the Mate 40 Pro, the Porsche Design Edition should also be powered by the Kirin 9000 processor, come with an OLED display, and have support for fast wired and fast wireless charging. So, the Huawei Mate 40 series is consistently being tipped via rumors. Ahead of the October 22nd launch, Huawei is gearing up to launch its Mate 40 series in China, and we have come across numerous leaks and renders about the smartphones. Now, the retail box of the Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus surfaced on /leaks report, confirming some of the specifications of the smartphone. According to the rendered image, the retail's box shows a Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus smartphone with 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. Due to the US sanctions, Huawei has decided to sell its Honor smartphone division to refocus its resources on Honor phones, which offer nearly the same features and specs as Huawei flagships, but at more affordable price points, are partly responsible for Huawei's rise in the smartphone market, making up nearly half of Huawei overall sales. So, this is certainly bad news for Huawei, but it could turn out to be a win-win situation for Honor, because distancing itself from Huawei will make sure Honor doesn't fall under the US ban, and they can do business like other smartphone companies, including using Google services. The deal is expected to land Huawei up to $3.7 billion in cash, and Gmail is the potential buyer. Ming Chi Kuo, a famous analyst, predicts that if Huawei doesn't get smartphone chips from somewhere, it's more likely they will even exit the smartphone market in next year, which is a shame for the smartphone industry. Anyway, I don't recommend buying the Mate 40 Pro, for the simple fact that it doesn't have Google services unless you live in China. But the last time I checked, you don't, so I don't recommend it even if it's a great handset. So what do you think about it? Are you interested to buy the Huawei's Mate 40 Pro? If yes, let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Gotta let you say